Discipline is about choosing the hard thing. Even though it's hard, it's better than all the wrong things. You can get swept up in all other priorities, so just keep on pushing toward the goal if you wanna keep it moving. Everybody wants to be addicted to the grind, but you don't really want it if you don't manage your time. Cause if I can be honest, it's not always about the work. It's about the day-to-day and the habits that come first, yeah. Think of the most successful person that you've ever seen. Think of all the things that they did just to get to fame. Everybody thinks success comes so easily, but it takes a long time for them habits to stay. I know you wanna hustle, flexing every muscle, but deep down you still afraid. I know you love the grind, working overtime, but this ain't about the trades. I know you wanna get it, work until you're sweating, XABCD locked in. Just keep going at it, success is bound to happen. It all comes down to this, so you can take a step back when you have reviewed your trades. Instead of trading for days, maybe you could think, okay, maybe I just need a minute to do some research and think. Maybe it's about the discipline of decisions I make, yeah. It's not always about the things you think it is. It's about putting in the time, the discipline. I know you really wanna grind, but take a break from caring what them people say. Just listen to me, think about what's making you afraid. There's nobody in the world who's ever wanted to fail, but a little bit of help can get you on your way. XABCD is where you can start today. I know you wanna hustle, flexing every muscle, but deep down you're still afraid. I know you love the grind, working overtime, but this ain't about the trades. I know you wanna get it, work until you're sweating, XABCD locked in. Just keep going at it, success is bound to happen. It all comes down to discipline. It's hard, you already know. Doesn't happen overnight, not even close. You can conquer anything if you plan ahead. XABCD can get you there. Discipline is hard, you already know. Doesn't happen overnight, not even close. You can conquer anything if you plan ahead. XABCD can get you there, yeah. I know you wanna hustle, flexing every muscle, but deep down you're still afraid. I know you love the grind, working overtime, but this ain't about the trades. I know you wanna get it, work until you're sweating, XABCD locked in. Just keep going at it, success is bound to happen. It all comes down to discipline. It all comes down to discipline.